According to China EV Post, Goldman Sachs has raised its electric vehicle sales forecast for Xiaomi, citing stronger demand and improved manufacturing capacity. Analysts now predict Xiaomi will sell 350,000 vehicles in 2025, up from an earlier estimate of 290,000 and 655,000 in 2026, significantly higher than current market expectations. Xiaomi officially launched its first electric vehicle, the SU7 sedan, in March 2024, with deliveries starting in April. The SU7 is available in three versions: Standard, starting at $30,225, Pro at $34,425, and Max at $40,785. A high-performance SU7 Ultra, priced at $111,100, is set to launch in March 2025, with pre-sales already underway. The company plans to unveil its second model, the YU7 SUV, in June or July 2025. Xiaomi delivered over 135,000 vehicles in 2024 and aims to reach 300,000 deliveries by 2025. Its Beijing plant, capable of producing 300,000 vehicles annually, is on track to complete its second phase by June 2025. You are listening to YU7 News.